In this class, we will discuss about synthetic division. Synthetic division is used to find the quotient and remainder when a given polynomial is divided by a binomial. Let the polynomial be of nth degree. We'll take the polynomial to be fx, that is equal to a0 xn plus a1 xn minus 1 plus a2 xn minus 2 plus an minus 2 x square plus an minus 1x plus an. And the binomial to be x minus h. Let the quotient be q, that is equal to b0 xn minus 1 plus b1 xn minus 2 plus b2 xn minus 3 plus dot 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 plus bn minus 2x plus bn minus 1. And let the remainder be denoted by r. Hence, we have the following identity. a0 xn plus a1 xn minus 1 plus a2 xn minus 2 plus dot 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 plus an minus 2x square plus an minus 1x plus an will be equal to x minus h into b0 xn minus 1 plus b1 xn minus 2 plus dot 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 plus bn minus 2x plus bn minus 1 plus r. Now we will compare the coefficients of like powers of x in both sides of this identity. So on comparing, we have the following relations. a0 will be equal to b0. When we'll multiply this x, it will be x to the power n. So a0 will be equal to b0, or we can write b0 to be equal to a0. Let us take it to be equation number 1. a1 will be equal to b1 minus b0 h, or we can write b1 to be a1 plus h b0. Similarly, a2 will be equal to b2 minus b1h, or we can write b2 to be equal to a2 plus hb1. Let us take it to be equation number 3. And further ongoing, an minus 1 will be equal to bn minus 1 minus hbn minus 2, or we can write bn minus 1 to be equal to an minus 1 plus hbn minus 2. We'll assume it to be equation number 4. Now, an will be equal to r minus hbn minus 1. Or r we can write out an plus h bn minus 1. Let us take it to be equation number 5. Now from right hand side of the relation, we obtain all the coefficients of quotient q along with the remainder r. On writing these in simple way, or arranging this in simple way, first we'll write the coefficient of the polynomial a0, a1, a2, an minus 1, an. Then we'll write down h on the left corner. If we have to divide the polynomial by x minus h, we write h in the corner. Now, a0, just below a0, it will remain a0 only. Now we multiply a0 by h. Here we can write a0. If you will multiply a0 by h, it will become a0h, and that will write here. So a0 was equal to b0 from 1. So we write it below a1. Just below a1 we will write b0h. Now adding a1 and b0h will give a1 plus b0h. And what is a1 plus b0h? It is equal to B1. So here we will write B1. Now we will multiply B1 with H. Now B1 into H will be equal to B1H. Again we will add A2 and B1H. A2 plus B1H will give B2. Similarly, we will go on adding, and then we will get here Bn minus 1, and we continue the process, and ultimately we get Bn minus 1 in the third row, which is multiplied by H and written below An. And on addition, An plus Bn minus 1 into H will be equal to R of this third row. So this is how we are doing the synthetic division. When we will solve the examples, it will be more clear. There are few points to be noted while doing the synthetic division. The first one, in case H be the root of equation fx is equal to 0, then R will be equal to 0 and equation can be depressed by one dimension. In case if this H be not the root of fx is equal to 0, then R will be value of fx. For x is equal to h. That is, we can write R is equal to fh. Third one, in case the equation be not complete, that is, sum of the powers of x from xn to x0 be missing, then what we do? The missing term we write by adding 0 coefficients. For example, let us see one example. Here 2x cube minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. We write it as, here you can see that the coefficient of x square is missing. So we will write it as 2x cube plus 0x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Next point is, if the division is to be done by x plus h. Till now we were talking about x minus h, and if x minus h was there on the left corner, we have written h. Here, if the division is to be done by x plus h, then we write minus h in the left hand corner. So these are the few points which we have to remember before doing synthetic division. Now it will be more clear with this example. Find the quotient and remainder when this polynomial is divided by x minus 3. So what is the polynomial? It is 2x to the power 4 minus 5x square minus 32x plus 6. Here you can see the coefficient of x cube is missing. So what we will do here, we will write the coefficient of x cube to be 0 while doing synthetic division. Since we have to divide it by x minus 3, so what we have to write it in the left corner? We have to write 3. X minus 3 is equal to 0, so the value of x will get 3. So we'll write on the left corner 3. Then here we will write down the coefficients. So coefficient of x4 is 2. Coefficient of x cube, it is not given, so we'll write here 0. Then coefficient of x square minus 5, coefficient of x minus 32 and the constant. Now what we have to do, here 2 will be as it is. We will multiply this 2 by 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Here just below 0 we'll write 6 and then we will add these two. 0 plus 6 will become 6. Now with this 6 we will multiply 3 again. 6 3s are 18. We have to add now minus 5 plus 18. And on adding we'll get here 13. Again 13 into 3 will become 39. On adding these two we will get 7. Again with 7 we'll multiply with 3. 7 3s are 21. And when we will add 21 plus 6 we will get 27. So this 27 is the remainder. So here the quotient is 2x cube. Since one power is reduced here, so we'll write 2x cube plus 6x square plus 13x plus 7, and the remainder is 27. So we can write it in this way, that 2x4 minus 5x square minus 32x plus 6 when divided by x minus 3 will get the quotient plus the remainder, which is divided by x minus 3. So this is the way we are doing the synthetic division. One more example we have here, that again we'll find out the quotient and the remainder when this polynomial x cube plus 5x square plus 7x plus 2 is divided by x plus 2. So here we have to divide it by x plus 2. So when we equate it with 0, we'll get minus 2. So on the left hand corner, what we have to write? We have to write minus 2. On writing the coefficients, we get coefficient of x cube 1, 5x square is 5, here 7 and 2. On the left corner, we will write minus 2. Now, 1 will be written as it is. When we'll multiply 1 with this minus 2, we'll get minus 2. And on adding these two, we will get 3. Again with 3, we will multiply minus 2. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. And on adding 7 and minus 6, we'll get 1. Again with this 1 will be multiplied with minus 2, and here we'll get minus 2. And minus 2 plus 2 will become 0. So here 0 is the remainder. It means what? That x plus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. Hence, the quotient is x cube plus 3x plus 1, and the remainder is 0. So, we can say that x plus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. So, this is how we will do the synthetic division, and we'll apply it in solving the Cardan's method type 3. Thank you.